I'm Ant Gordon. I'm here in Manchester for the Airmic conference. And joining me for Airmic TV is Bill Bradshaw for FM Global. Welcome, Bill.
Nice to meet you, Ant.
And you. My first question really is for FM Global. What are the key messages you've got for risk managers?
Well, FM Global is creating a circle of resilience for our clients to help them mitigate risks, which ultimately leads to lower losses and eventually better returns for them in terms of policyholder credits. I guess one of the key areas where we see that resilience, circle of resilience, being put into action is in terms of probably one of the most pressing risks that we see today, which is climate risks. FM Global is uniquely positioned to be able to help clients understand climate risk today and in the future, and also be able to look at ways to address those climate risks, but also be able to report using their climate related data on things like TCFD and other financial reporting needs. And obviously, when you talk about solutions and the insights, we've also got on show here our Resilience on Tour truck, which brings that sort of unique hands-on risk mitigation, learning experience to clients, which we're taking all over Europe, starting here in Airmic. So we're very pleased and proud to have it here.
Okay, thanks ever so much. You mentioned there the sort of resilience truck on tour. Can you tell me a bit more about that and the launch behind it?
Yeah, look, the Resilience on Tour truck is a unique, one-of-a-kind experience that we're bringing to Europe to our clients, our prospects, our broker partners traveling all around Europe. And really what it does is builds on our organization's approach to using science, research, data to help solve some of the problems of today and obviously in the future. So for instance, if you were to go inside it, you'd be able to play with our interactive flood table, understand what types of measures you can put in place to be able to address flood issues. There's the latest technology and what we're looking at in terms of managing ignitable liquids, managing hot work exposures. There's I guess our global flood map, so you can look at any location in the world and understand whether that whether your site is flood exposed. It's a really cool experience, and hopefully it's going to really make a big difference for some of our clients and risk partners in across Europe.
Okay, thank you, Bill, and it's a great initiative, and have a great conference. Thank you.
Very much, Anne.